Okay, there we go. Hello everybody. So today, on this fine day, we will be continuing on the library. A couple of things have changed, mainly to do with backend stuff. Like a lot of updates on the backend stuff also made this just a lot better. I've been working a little bit this week on it myself, just to get it a little bit further along. And also because I wanted to do some stuff and ran into a lot of problems. And there will be a lot more problems that we will run into today, because it's always interesting, this project. Let me get myself the Visual Studio Code open with the project. There we go, cool. And let's get the server running so that we can do stuff with it. The main things that I've basically changed in the server is we now have the providers separated. So MangaDex is all the API requests now go through here, and they're also delayed and queued. This is just so that I'm not going over my budget that I have with MangaDex or with any other API. I wanted to try to implement Manga Hub, but I ran into some problems with them. So I'm gonna need to see how to do that in a better way in the future. Also, I need to be very careful with this one. Holy Moses, that is pause instantly. Also, it's Bookiality. No? Go ahead. Yes. But what I wanted to do here is go over here and press that button. But for that, I will need to do that. So I will fill this in. Let's see. That is something I don't know what's that. Okay, and then we okay. That's fine with me. Sign in. I don't think I have Alti on here. Oh, I do. Ooh, perfect. That one. Oh. Now I can place this back here. And then we can say build and test on build and reloads on 0 clients. I think I have it done it correctly. Where are my properties here? I did not. For people, if people want to know what I'm doing here, is I'm enabling --watch worlds. What this basically does is, yes, I have like a decent amount of logging enabled. Basically what it does is it makes sure that it watches the world folder in Vrchat, just so that if I now run the game, which I'm gonna need to stop it here, yes, and I need to run it again. It basically makes it so that if you build the game like this, that it sees that and will basically get it to be updated in that version. because I did not run it from here, like I did not build and reload from there. It actually is still the actual live client that is just in watch worlds format, so I still can like join actual worlds and stuff with it, which is interesting and in my opinion a lot better because it represents more Vrchat actual what it actually is. Also, my account is practically fixed now. Like my API calls actually go through now. It's amazing. It's been so amazing. So yeah, let's go here and let's reload last build, and that should now, yes, throw me into the world. In the meantime, yeah, that will now not work. That's an npm starts. Did I don't think I set it back. Yeah. I need to go to my app here and change this back to manga text. Cool. Did I write something wrong? It should just be that. Why are you still trying? Ah, I know why. Because it's in the constructor of app that this is happening. All of this can go. Oh. Okay, cool. Yes, there we go. Cool. So now I should be able to go there, get my get any these and copy this, paste it over here, get a book out, and then we'll see what is wrong today, right? That's what I want to see. So yeah, we have now it downloading. How many pages will it be? It's a very good question. 25. Okay, cool. Around 40 pages then total over here. Oh, only 23. What? That's so small as pages. So I'm wanting to set it to 1 to 1.9, but it's currently set at 0.3. Right? It should load this page, but it is not. It loaded the first page because that was the first page. The first page is 0, and 0 is like always practically correct. Timed out. Okay, attempting to load string from URL. Color primary 0 is unknown or unsupported by Windows. What? Color primaries is 0. That's the first time I hear of that error. Color primary 0. Is unknown. Okay, cool. But I'm confused on why it's unable to get the next video. What is this? Yeah, actually, let's throw it in the trash bin. Yes, this is a trash bin currently, and then we can just get the URL again and again. See now, it still didn't like it though. So maybe because of the color thing. Let's then go check out the color thing over here. Yes, here. So profile main baseline is not here though. Profile is on main, not on baseline. Let's put it on baseline. Let's restart it, and then let's get a new video, shall we? We're first gonna throw this away. Copy this one, paste it again. Now we wait until that one is done. Instead of me going to here, I actually want the... Oh, that's a quick one. Take that long. $25 over 26 images, and there must be some smaller images than baseline. Okay, cool. It's unable to even download the image at 0. That is... Polar primary zeros are known as unsupported. What the hell? Support me. What is this? Is it even unable to play a video just normally? That is my question now. Just also gonna add the normal video player. Where is the video player? Just a normal Unity video player. Cool. If I make this one. Yeah, place it all the way over there, and then we go over here. It's just so I can test out if I play the URL in here. Let's put this on like 4000 also. And yeah, that's just all fine. It should be all fine. connected to input field and it's already a synced object. Cool. So let's build and reload that. Then I will basically get the video out at least, so I can at least check if the video can, if that video here, because this is technically a video, can play. Because if it can, then good, but if it can't, then not good, you know? Because currently this is problematic. Key. Paste it. Cool. I cannot enter URL. That is interesting. That is very interesting. So you back to 25, that is back to 24. Fine, I need to see why I cannot click this. It's probably because something is overlapping. Also, that first one loaded correctly. Second one doesn't. This used to just work. So I'm a little bit confused on why it is like it's setting image 1 again for 1.9. It's currently at 0.33 and then 1, which is a second frame basically. But that's not currently what I want to see here. What I want to see it do basically is I go to the book. Also, I'm quickly going to see here. It loaded the page. It loaded the page. No, it loaded the same one. Why did it load the same one? It's not 2 times the same 7, this one. I know that is totally fine. And that should all be fine. Basically what's happening here is we do the delayed start, we basically do set image, right? Because on the for loop here, when we're updating, if we're setting images true, then it returns. So setting images false, then we do all this, and then we basically get the scroll content location. If the scroll is more than the current page, then we do the set image of the next page, otherwise we do it on the previous page, right? Set image, right, with index. Set image here, and then we do the index check. Set the name to execute. Setting image set to true, so it won't do it again. We set play on the video player. Then we gather time to set. We set the time. We do the login, so that's our first log after the setting image index. We go over here, and we see here setting image 0, and that is the log of the page video player at get time. So that's the starting time of this. That's that. Then we set the image again. That is here. So setting image and then correct time. That was not really correct. And setting image 2. Doing it again for 2 then. But why is the set time suddenly like basically the player is not setting it? I'm now adding a random offset there, but it's not doing it. it's not updating here. Why? Not that the video is like slow or anything like that. Look at this canvas, UI shape, default. That should all be fine. Input field. That's all. Why? Ah, text button is not that. Okay. Well, then reload that. Let's see. That might be why I can't click it. I can just do the let's go though. Yeah, I'm so confused by this. Cool. Go to the new map and let's do that one. This one, copy it. Paste it. Yeah, this is a longer one. Exactly 42. Cool. Cool. Did I break it? Doesn't seem like it's broken. So why is... color primary zeros. And you know what I'm gonna do is just rejoin this world, and I'm gonna just paste it in to that one here. Okay. I should just play it. why is it not like... Oh. Yeah, it's just not doing anything here. It's definitely not sending it. Blah, 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 blah. Oh, this is it. Oh. This placeholder here. This placeholder. Keep that. Then we have the input field, little graph. Let's see what this is all about. Ah, is the changed event that here? No. Why is that changed event not set? On and edits one, and now we go that behavior. Then custom events. And one. Here I'll change. Don't know why this is not set up. Why was this full input field just not set up at all? This one. This should resolve it, but it will, yeah, first download everything. Do it. One. Processing, cool. That seems to like play nicely, right? Cancel. Like that one is like just playing very nicely. It doesn't even have like the second frame as this. This. Definitely not here, it definitely is here. I'm just super confused on why set time is just not setting time. That's what I do every time, Dave. So it's strange that it's not doing it. What I want to do here is, like, if I can work with, like, yeah, I also need to fix that that doesn't do what it is doing currently. That it only works when I actually am looking at it, not when I'm looking away. I really want the drag to also function a little bit better, that you don't need to like do that, like go practically halfway of the page to start dragging it, that you practically instantly have it. Also something I want it to do. Just I don't know why video players suddenly do not allow pausing and like skipping to the video. What is this for strangeness? The server crash? Did it? I don't. Yeah, it's back to playing that again. And that playing works like totally fine. It's just seeking that does. Also, I really want to up the input FPS, like also 30. Kind of want to do that. Maybe up this at 60. And just to see what happens with it, if it is maybe better for it. Because what I can do here quite easily is just say, hey, instead of 1 FPS, we have 30 FPS, right? And then it should all update correctly. Because now the videos will just be a lot. Hello. Maybe this just helps with it. Could be. This just helps with it. There will be some timings that will be incorrect. But it's okay. Okay. Paste. Is it cached? Save was cached. Apparently very short one. 3, 4, there we go. You first you reckon? The hell? Quite sure that that one's not cached. Key, but okay, so now the only thing that I need to do here is make sure that the mset plus 0 point. So now it's 1 times 1 divided by FPS. Okay, and then that there. And then this is just 1 divided by FPS. This should just be that, right? One times the number is always okay, cool. Now you okay. I go back to you. So now doing everything relative to the we're doing now everything via the FPS of the video. But we're going to go less forward than backwards, which might be better for the internal caching of the video. Do I still have the moment there's no delay on that anymore? I may actually want 10 seconds of do this as frames. And this will be the name of this function then. Frames. Here. One. So 1, 2, 3, 4, but the fifth one's not loaded at all. Is it because I'm trying it too much? That good? Why? Because otherwise we're never gonna be on the correct frame. It's actually a good thing when I think about it. First one, I'm actually just gonna execute. And then let it check, because that might help with the first frame. Come on, think about it. And reload. This should make all first frames always perfect. I also have like a stupid, yeah, we'll do with this. I had like a maximum, that one? Yeah, it is. I also have like a stupid suspicion of something I can do, but it might not be good to do that with very, very long ones, but then I can just increase the FPS to like 60 and that should No, I'd rather keep the FPS on like something bit like this, like 30, like the lowest denominator that somebody will have in like 10 maybe then. And it still can take like a couple of seconds before you get the video. It's not something I want to happen. Okay, yeah, this is a long good one. Normal. Okay. What the hell happened? Uh, hmm. I want to test something with this one. If I remove this set time here, right, and just say custom event delayed frames, I have one. And then just execute this function over here. Still set the time. To that. And wait one frame to do that. This might work, might not, I don't know. The main problem that I have with this currently is this needs to work reliable on any machine always. And currently I don't have the feeling because that will do what it does, because it has been random every time I launch it. None of the times that I've launched it again, it has been the same, like behaving the same way. None. For long ones, for short ones, none. So I want to just make sure that I have something that just always works. Doesn't matter what day it is, doesn't matter what happens, when, where, on whose PC it is, it just always needs to work. The Netromancer. Hmm. It does, the time just stays the same constantly. It's amazing, even though it's playing, right? It just stays the same if I do this. That's more what should happen. Like now, time is. Oh, the sound set the correct. Now, yes. Also, we have like a ton of artifacts, but that's fixable. Those are fixable. Maybe. Let's say that we go for 10. Okay. And a video that is like all still the same. And we put this back to 10f. And we try this again. Reload. I might go to bed soon though. An hour of stream. Worked a little bit on it. I might stream more this week just when I'm wanting to work on this, but it's just problematic and I need to find a way to do it via the video player because images we have every 5 seconds that we can load an image. And like that resolution is 2K by 2K, which is not even enough to load this full image. We are working with 4K images. So like it's just not enough to do it that way. I would if there were like other ways to load in the video, but it's... Oh, load in the images. I would, but because I could place like 4 1K images, so 4 pages per 5 seconds. But even 4 pages per 5 seconds, and then we only have 1K images, which is also not the best. And this used to work so super well, but now it certainly just doesn't. Oh no, this one will fail. Yeah, it fails on the removal of the image that it wasn't able to process. But it did get, yeah, it cached it, cool. If that could find the correct one, then I would be very, very happy, but it doesn't. So it... Because that is correct, right? 0.6 to 0.69. That seems to be correct, right? And then I instantly do that. It seems to be that this get time and the actual frame that we're on seems to be incorrect. So I might just say, hey, slow this down to like 20. Just so that I have reasons for this one, right? Because I cannot play the video and always have 2 frames in between, right? And I can always check for the middle frame of the 2. And I'm always sure that the screen is actually updated correctly. and then I just need to build this. And then we will try again. Paste. This will take a little bit for it to convert. By the way, what I also want to do is have a little screen on the thing saying like, hey, we're this far in, and every 5 seconds until it's loaded. Make download the URL thing just to see how far progress is and stuff like that, and then we can cancel it. It has it. No, wait, from the we can't cancel it on strings through. We will get the result back. That seems really promising. Like, really promising. What happens if I go up? Did miss one? It's slower, that for sure, but it's not really what I'm. No, it's up is still like it sequences it quite nicely, but it can be wrong, and then it suddenly goes to the first one. Yeah, up is definitely not its wrong point. Down should be. Now I do want to test this a bit more once. This seems to be Gucci. Fine. Oh. It just cut off like that? Alright. Oh, it was not cut off like that. It's not perfect. And the main reason why down works so well, by the way, is just because we're playing the video and we're pausing it once we actually reach the correct frame. That's why we're just going through the video, just pausing when we want the frame, so that's why it's going so well. Well, if we go up, then we need to basically go back an amount, or like go through and loop it, which it doesn't always want that quick. Even on this one, if I go up, right? It does kind of find the correct one. If I give it 3 frames. Just thinking if it might like find it quicker if we give it 3 frames. Main problem that I have with this is that that was the previous image that was still on there. It does find the correct image. It's, yeah, because this one is, no, that one is the one that I found. This is setting via seek, right? Not that many people will be scrolling up a lot, right? Because you normally don't really scroll up when you're reading, only scroll down. And down is like really good. Because we're just playing through the video, just pausing when we need to. I think, to be honest, I can lessen the frames. The input frames, that is. Like 5, maybe. And that will give us more time to catch it, because then somebody can be running at 5 FPS. What I'm thinking about. People with a lower frame rate should also be able to play the video and be fine. So if I put this 5, 20, I have 4 frames in between, and I put this at 5. Cool. And I'll just be testing it on a lot of videos. In the meantime, can I just in the beginning, once we play VRC URL here, just say, hey, load this string for once. And then I can on strings load success. Now here I can say if the predict. Let's see what I set up for that up here. I set it up so that title is loading as a thingy is loading. If that is true, then do this, else do this. Okay. Oh, my mind is a little bit breaking. But yeah, basically. Now I can do some stuff here to hide the fact that we're loading, you know? Just show the fact that we're loading. Probably can do that if I go over here. The scroll view, that's by panel. By text mesh pro text. That goes from the left to the right. Text load. Okay. Loading. Centered. Let's just give you like a very dark. I can make the panel like not black, but like a 20. 20 should be good, and then the text wipe again. And now I can enable this when we're loading. Direct transform. That's the game object that I need this time. Game objects, loading. Active. True. False. The loading panel. Would be a lot of fun if I could set the playback speeds. Or if I just could like do it a lot better. Like the Avi Pro, I don't know if the Avi Pro can play non-streams. Like if it can, then maybe Avi Pro would be better, but I've not seen it being able to do it. So do you only have Chinese? Did it break? Yes, it did break. Because of that, it's incorrect. So I need to fix that. It's true that I need to fix that. That's for another time. What is this one? Yeah, cool. Thing B key paste key, cool. Loading. Now it says loading. Cool. At least it now says that it's like loading. Alright. And I do want to give it a little bit more information. Say like, hey, that is loading. And you can also put the image at the back, like the cover art on the back and stuff like that. Just because, and this is the fun thing, that's all one. Okay. That doesn't go that well. Yeah, that one looks a lot better. No, that's also not the, that's also the an incorrect one. Ah. Why was Dan so much better? Yeah, because now there are 4 frames per video, so or per frame. I need to do at least 10 right currently because of that. This one. Wow, these are some very long pages. Those are some super long images. Yay! Up doesn't really work that well, but down does. Like down seems to work really well. But to get up to work really well, I need to basically have the video in reverse. Because the video players are not optimized for playing in reverse. Because they were made for playing forward. So I'm going to Yeah, and then once it got up, it's just perfect. Is it then? It's super interesting that what it is currently doing. Because, yeah. That is it. Yeah, then that's totally fine. So the precision is more than precise enough, and down it works really well. I'm just gonna note that up just doesn't work really that well. Just because of how Vrchat, like how I'm handling this. Yeah, this is working great, to be honest. Just need to like fix a little bit of stuff, but yeah, this is not working. Cool. But I'm gonna keep it here for today. This is working great, and yeah, I'm super happy with this. This was, to be honest, a very good evening. Learned a decent amount again. Now I can work basically on the book itself, like getting the cover on the back, having the name on the side, getting this here totally hidden away, getting like the next page, previous page fixed, getting the scrolling on this thing fixed, so that like this top section can be scrolled separately from this bottom, like getting if you're at the end of this thing, right, I want there to be a button to say next chapter, previous chapter, so that when you're coming at the end of your book, basically you can just go to the next chapter, and that it then just like gets the information of that book plus one, or that you or that there is some kind of way to like get the next chapter instantly. You do not need to like throw away the book, and so that you can just keep on reading through chapters, right? Because that's something that you do. You just binge through like an entire book instantaneously. So yeah, I want you to have at least resistance of doing that and not needing to. through that. So that would be good, because yeah, this is already super smooth, like quality wise also superb. Because yeah, these artifacts you have when you're just reading normally too, so like it's all very good. But I will see you guys all later though. Bye bye.